Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? How's everybody doing this fine Sunday? Is that what it is, Sunday? Yeah, it's Sunday. So if you're watching live, let me know. If you're watching live, so I can give you a shout out. If you're watching the replay, hit hashtag replay. And let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to find out where folks are watching from. Right now you're watching in Utah, Washington City. So just wanted to come on here and give a big shout out to a bunch of my family members and friends and stuff that helped all this happen. We're just getting ready to leave exactly right now. Hey, Sabrina. So I wanted to come on here and do a thank you video for everybody. So I just want to thank everyone that helped us make our dream happen. And so I wrote down a few things real fast. First person of all, I want to thank my mother, because you guys know how much she helps us. And the biggest way she helped us is with somewhere to stay. What's up, Nate?
Let's go, buddy.
There's Nate, he's ready to go. And she helped us with the motorhome. See, we wouldn't have had somewhere to stay, so we were gonna actually stay in the timeshare or have to pay for rooms. But Mom let us take the motorhome, so as you guys seen, we were on an adventure in the motorhome. So we actually had to kind of rough it a little bit for a few days just so we could be with these amazing people and get all this amazing knowledge. So Mother, thank you so much for letting us use the house and the motorhome, because it would have costed us twice as much. Hey, Steven. And instead it wasn't twice as much. So thank God for mothers. And I could go off forever more about my mom, but for now, let's go on. So the next person I'd like to thank is Annie Harrison. Annie, you are awesome. Without you, almost all this would have never happened, because you called me up about 3 weeks ago and we talked for hours and hours about stuff, and you pretty much lit the fire. You lit the fire underneath my butt, and that fire went over to Nate and went over to Jeremy and went over to Hunter and went on to everybody else in the team, and just awesome. And you also helped us get tickets, helped everything go through when people needed tickets at the very end. Just love you for it. Thank you so much for everything you do. Don't forget it. We love you, and keep rocking. Next person, Nate Reynolds, for never giving up and having awesome vibes and just keeping us all jolly and happy, and just being my best friend, you know, and never giving up. That was the big one, you guys. Jeremy Trencamp, for helping in every which way possible on this trip. He was my navigator, and he helped plan the trip so that way we would have just fun. And he helped me with Nate every which way he could out there, because as you guys know, Nate's pretty much blind. And so thank you, Jeremy. It was awesome. Thank you for helping us out here, and thanks for pumping us up. Hunter, thank you for lighting the way with your extra dollar bills, paying for pretty much half of the trip. You're awesome, little buddy. He's only 20 years old, and dude's like racking in the cash doing things. So he helped us with this trip a lot. Hey, what's up, Tommy? So thank you, Doug, and also never giving up. Totally freaking cool, dude. And next on the list here, Donna. Thank you, Donna. Always surprising us with all of your love and all your care, and helping us in every which way you could. She couldn't make it, you guys, so we were there for her. I know she was watching live, which was awesome. And she helped us get tickets too. So between our team and everybody that I'm talking about, we made it. We made it, you guys, and it was so awesome. We all came out totally different people, just like I did last time at the road show, and this time even more. So totally stoked. And I want to thank a couple other people. Carlos Martinez, thank you for everything you do for us. It was awesome meeting you there at the convention, and rubbing shoulders with all you guys, and you 50Ks and 100Ks and super affiliates. Just a mind boggler. Thank you for everything you do, and everything you continue to do. Ron Deering, same thing. Thank you for everything. You're just amazing. We all call you Papa Ron because you just have all the wisdom, and then you keep us together. And last but not least, sorry if I missed anybody, Todd Reek, you, my friend, you made it all happen again too. If it weren't for you, we wouldn't have made it. I mean, some of us would have, but I don't think I would have. So thank you again, buddy, for what you did. I will never forget it. And on that note, you guys, having a wonderful Sunday. Wait till you see what we have rolling out these next few weeks, because we sat down and masterminded some crazy plans to make some crazy things happen. So we're going to be on some awesome adventures making it happen, especially after what we learned in the convention. with our new products, and the QR label, the QR code label is going to make it so we can thrive in stores and stuff like that. So, alright, you guys, we are out of here. Everybody's out there waiting for me. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to pop on over to Jedediah's Empire and CBD for better health. And we'll see you guys next time on our adventures. Later. Let's do this. What's up, Vera? Thank you for all your help too, Vera. It was awesome seeing you there again. And I'm out of here. If you missed it, hit that rewind button and hit hashtag replay. See you guys. Have an awesome, awesome day.